Our TSP project has brought together representatives from every institution teaching engineering in the country, which is no small feat, to connect to each other and to be a community that can develop engineers that are fit for the future. Less about what the curriculum becomes and more about building the capacity to make the curriculum agile.
When we come together, we do become aware of the common challenges. For example, the fact that our students are not prepared the same way when they arrived at university. The changes that are happening here on the ground are exciting. They will outlive the project, and that is the kind of change we want to see.
The project looks to radically transform the way engineering is taught to students across South Africa, helping colleagues in universities to rethink the way they teach engineering and the sorts of things that students do when they're learning engineering in their classrooms.
Currently in South Africa, we have an interesting ecosystem of higher education institutions that have to fill different parts of the engineering work. There's almost like a national belief that was brought into that engineering is hard, and so if we only graduate about 20% of our student body, that's right, that's normal. Where students come into our context with such a broad range of privilege, that's caused like a massive additional layer of challenge that we really had to think through in the South African context to make sure that there's equitable access to all of our students coming into the space.
I think the real strength of the TSP project has been the sense of community and collaboration that we've fostered over the last several years. As the project has progressed, there's been more of a focus on the person and the people in that curriculum, the people who deliver that curriculum.
The fact that the Royal Academy gave us funding for the specific agenda really made it easy for us to get all 16 of the different deans in the engineering schools to the table and open them up enough to hear what we were proposing. I think the most important takeaway is that whatever you do, it's much easier to do it together than it is to do it alone. It's been really great to have a community with you to provide support and boost some energy back into the work that you're doing.